Hello guys, in this video we will know about how we can install Windows 11 operating system using VMware Workstation. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, you need two things. First, you need a VMware Workstation. That's here. I have installed VMware Workstation Pro. And you need a second thing, that you have to download the Windows 11 operating system that I have downloaded here. I have an iOS image of Windows 11 operating system. So I will start by double clicking this VMware Workstation. Here I will start with opening this VMware Workstation Pro. Click here, create new virtual machine, and it should be custom, and click next and click next. And then I have an ISO image, so I will select this installer disk image. Now browse and select the file where you have ISO image. Click here and now click next. Click next. Now click here, it should be VMX, and click. No, I have to enter the password here. Now again click next. This should be, it's in default mode, UEFI mode. Click next, and as you can see the processor are 2, core processor is 1, and click next. And the minimum is 4 GB. I will keep it 8 GB so that it will work smoothly. Click next. Here you have to enter the NAT. Click next. LSI logic SAS recommended. Click next. NV storage should be NV. Virtual disk type NV. Click next. And here you can see I want to create a new virtual disk. Create next. And here you can see that it asks us that whether you want to use a single file or a virtual disk into multiple files. I think this will be portable to handle single file. I will keep it a single file, and click next. And here you have to use the path where you want to select, where you want create the virtual disk. I want to click here where I have an operating system. Click save and click next. Click finish. Now it will create the virtual disk. Now the disk has been completed. Now we can power on the virtual machine. It will click here, enter. Now click any key. Now starting installing the Windows 11 operating system. It will take some time to install the Windows 11 operating system. Let us wait for some time. Here it asks you the language. Click next and install. Click here I accept and click next, and click here install, custom install only, install Windows only. I have 64 GB of storage. Click next. Now it will take some time to install the whole Windows 11 operating system. So for that time you have to take a cup of coffee. Now Windows 11 is about to complete installing. Here you can see we have to enter the region. I will use my country, that's India. Click yes and click US. Keyboard will be US layout. Click yes. Second, no second keyboard. Click skip. It's checking updates. Here it asks you what will be your computer's name. I will keep it HP and click next. No password. It's again checking updates. Now it's restarting. Installation is completed. Here you can see the installation has been completed, and you can see the desktop of Windows 11 operating system. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.